Andreas here. This is the filament cutter I designed. If you change the filament or use a new spool, you have to cut the first piece to get a clean cut and feed it nicely into your printer. And normally I use some cutter for it. It works, but you need a special extra tool, so why not print one? So and this is cuts always the filament in a 45-degree angle. And now I'm showing you how you assemble it. So what do you need? Two screws, M3 by 16 millimeters, a spring 7 by 19 millimeters, and the end piece of a 10 mm snap blade. This is used to mount the blade into the blade holder, and normally thrown away if you snap off all the pieces. So you fit it into the holder, then put the feather in. You need also a 3 mm drill to clean up the holes from support. Then put it together and just put in the screws. The diameter is about of the holes should be 2.8 millimeters, so the screws cut their own thread into the plastic. So just tighten them until they're inside the box. It's pressed and you're done. So you have a nice filament snapper. Can always attach it to your printer, so you never have to look for scissors or something like that, or get your filament stuck into the printer. So happy printing, see you next time.